Good morning. I'm just getting to my desk here. I'm gonna look at where, excuse me, where I was looking at last night. Possible trades here. Let's see if I can find it. Okay, so this is my loser. Okay, so just pointing out the direction that I had picked out at least came down to the 15-minute level. Um, so my idea that it would go lower was technically right, but I was off by quite a bit before it went down. So, how to, oh, where'd it go? There it is. How to get into that trade without it stopping me out. I wouldn't have gotten in 2R unless I had like a tiny target. So, yeah, I don't know. I mean, there's a big engulfing bar here, but that's not really set up. I like just at the top of a run. I like to see it pull down and pull back, and like so. There's this pullback here, but it doesn't really like give me any like there's no setup there, so I don't know about that. This is interesting here because this is like a reach and golf, 2 bars, reaches up, closes. I guess there's a little gap here, closes. Um, so that's something to maybe watch for. It's like a mini. It's like a micro reach and go, micro pullback. So, anyways, um, all right. Well, I got tired. I went to bed, so I didn't. Oops. Didn't make it to any more trades last night, which is fine. I'm trying to figure out my schedule to know how to decide when to trade and stuff. Because staying up late, I don't really like doing these days. So I may start being up a little bit earlier. See if that gives me any better trading opportunities. Because it's really slow last night. Although it was Sunday, so it's pretty slow on Sundays usually. So I could just maybe start ignoring those and do some analysis for the week ahead, something like that. Hmm. Spoken Wolf here. Post. Yeah, I don't know though. I don't know if I would have liked that because of these guys here. Although I could use that as stop and then yeah, there's room for a 2 hour even before I pull back and continuation. So that's a possibility. I like that. I like these. This so it goes higher, it doesn't get it, goes down, and then fails, like noticeably fails as it tries to come back up. Big engulfer, but you get this break here, and then it tries one more, and it just goes. So that's something I want to watch for. This liquidity grab here, probably coming up above here, midnight pivot here, grabbing stops before moving lower. Now we're starting to get some equal lows potentially here in this holy number area. All right, well, that's the Euro US. Let me take a look here at the yen. US yen, I should say. I was watching back here. Okay, so I wanted to see something come up and pull back after, I mean, after this move here. it just kind of didn't do anything. I was getting too tired, so I went to bed. So let's see. I was kind of short mindseted, so could have taken that one there. That's probably what it would have been. Now that is, yeah, 3 to 1. If if you can hold it that long. 2 to 1 for sure, though. Little gap here doesn't really do much. Open gulf here, little one. Where is that? Okay, so then you have this little. I don't want to call it an order block because I'm still working on understanding what that is, but that last green bar there. Oh no, I guess that would be the other way around. Be the last red bar right there. So that's interesting. So because it went up higher, I'm trying to decide if I can reasonably take trades that are smaller that have a backup, a reason. But like right in here, if I'm watching that play out, like, and my mindset was short because of this whole move, why would I take that? Okay. It poked up above here, poked up above here, but then this move itself drops lower than this and this. So why would I go long there? Unless I think it's in a range, which it kind of is. So looking last night, using the 50% level, didn't quite, this pullback didn't quite make it. That's that's pretty rad though. The holy support number there. Wow. Get back to that in a minute. So yeah, this one is probably what I would have looked at. That was over an hour later, so it's not really a time I'm ever going to be trading probably unless I'm switch back to a night owl shift. West Coast time, so here's like classic, just kind of break and retest right here, like that. So it breaks with exuberance, pulls back, uses the, let's see what the low is. Man, my eyes are bugging me. 998. It's high here. 997. So that's kind of cool. I mean, that doesn't give me the signal I would like to see for entry. So I don't know. Unless I was just in on the limit, just planning on this move being the continuation, that would have been kind of cool. Stop down here. Where would I have put it though? I would have likely gone down here, so I probably wouldn't have got in. So that's possible. See if there's anything else. Poke and golf here. 67. Yeah, could have gotten that one. 2R there. This is, yeah, see, this is poke and golf, but this big bar here would have kept me out of it. I don't like to see that. This is actually poke and golf here too. So I got to figure out a way of having directional bias when I see these, because that's why I kind of had the moving average on for a while, just seeing if I could use that as a little help. Because technically, like, this is a poke and golf here, up to the top. But you see it only goes down a bit. So here's another one up here that just happened this morning. So I'll be watching, seeing what I can find for these two.